Ebushama ima wakwa ba enfa umbra Ghana SMTV GH mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime I post a video bit say we are usambeke bi. Hey, you too there e kasa munti o. Eh, sister say there munti advice crowd. Me ma ba pam cho say. Ye papa, ye bibia, Sofo Duncan Williams. Ebia asema okaye about good board say bibi nti yempom paye no ebia wanka niye and I say ebia he did not have all the factors or the facts around the way as a medium fi mismanage good board no. And I thought say we all agreed say indeed we were going to forgive the man. And then na me dan anopana me say oh nkrofobia ba live on live the educative part the maminko na minko tie minko pie o live no so no na abrantie bi say I think abrantie blasted Sofo Duncan Williams rough na one of the things abrantie no card no say o si Sofo no onko sua nyansa ewo GH Koose ho. Oh, we dear I'm disappointed. Listen, I'm disappointed because look, sometimes I understand say a way for politics, but let's pull the brake a little bit because ultimately say Sofo Duncan Williams or Ninyansa. Oh, I mean, somebody who has been able to build a church to persuade. We see it now, Action Chapel, over thousands of seating capacity, or BBA branches all around. I mean, we cannot say that. But you see, on the flip side, even the Bible says that it is only a fool that does not change his mind. Only a fool. And to say we are NDC ni na otena se ehun se debut ade a ye promise Ghana for say one farm one borehole, one farm one aboboya, one farm to a pair of Wellington boot, one farm, and all those things that you promise. In fact, you even said say NPP for our bad luck at insuin thought muna more good luck and muba in beto. And yes, sir. Again, you said, say, when NDC is in power, there is always peace in Boku. Se Kasano, is there peace in Boku? Women's Development Bank, 400 million na muse muhiano. 18 months plus, any amu away. 400 million uwahe. Da bena, besati Women's Development Bank no. Da bena be branches, Emma Women's Development Bank no. 24-hour economy amu promise no. Ewo hifa. Otilo is gone. Never ever seen the light of day. And yes, sir. And to say we in this year, you should not find it difficult changing your mind. You should not find it difficult convincing yourself, say, you are part of the wrong political party. It shouldn't be anything that is too hard for you to do. You are right to say that because indeed, no, say ebianye wumpona watro manifesto na mumpeni for they have disappointed the youth of this country. Even beyond the youth, they've disappointed even the seniors in this country. The little child that is born today under this government is disappointed in this government. And to feel free to change your mind. And the same applies to the pastors. It's true, say mubompaye, muye akwanchre and all those things. But you see, we are ready to put all those things in our past and move forward. But moving forward, no, as I said, what say 2024, we a mistake. 2024, yadadamo. And then come on board and join the NPP's campaign. It's a campaign to redeem this country. Redemption is coming. And the person leading this redemption is none other than the son of this land, Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. He has been the most effective vice president in this country since independence. Yeah, that is the truth. No challenger, the most effective, ever present in daily conversations for all the good reasons as a vice president. Over 33 different initiatives implemented by the office of the vice president. Unprecedented, never ever happened before. He is the one leading the redemption of this nation. And Charlie, feel free to join us. I will see you at one of our meetings.
Okay? Especially AstroTurf. I do almost 80% complete. Na change of government by. A whole fusa man. Na boy no koye ho video or TikTok e kan ho asem no. Ya be fa no free hard no konkan. Be na for bet no ko. Okutwa 1 week and some money bail. Say all make it things right. Say dey we enye Ghana yenye sika na dey aye. Ati eche no. Ma me from free ha. Me dey baby me call platform na ahoro adwuma. So me feel ready so na ma join no life for am. Sika na Sami Jamfi 22 billion. O say is new na cost. Bank of Ghana so say enyo no a friend say gold board 4 almost say enyo mo. Finance minister enyo mo. Na ye pese ye kire yen say ye ni munyansa Sami Jamfi ni munyansa say IMF ana. IMF na ye call ye kufu aduma ye call IMF kwa jisika aye omu boy so just recently IMF has released another sika the Bank of Ghana because of affordability system no mu use no omaji sika o IMF but ubi anka hohwe but NPP the whole reason could be abete. Sami Jamfi, we are very young. I think about politics. Akwala bi eniwa wakasa tia mpenifo politics man, the political career na kwa ni muda. You can do your background checks. Sam George, edi na wanye. Malik Basantali no nama is more than the president. Any number bia ye ni omope. Gold any cocoa ena Ghana ye de eboa ye man no yen fan say resources e wa no nia esombo pa ye ntumunya ba pe nia maboa ye den petrol any cocoa. Now yet me 22 million. Yes say eka cocoa farmers were arrears from last year October at the government of Ghana, the agri ministry, any Randiabe. Onim kwa fa so dua cocoa krada. Esi sika ni ho a for last year arrears no. Omo de betua ama farmers. No one kasa asra dia ko parliament say. Parliament for white paper anto so engine tum say this main crop way increment word market no and our price word market per ton no emu 70% no the member farmers no me obi a me research pa and then you betimi a check it who check it word market cocoa price now convert back Ghana cedis per 64 kg na the 70% no we have 4,480 2005 kra ne yentimi ntua yi osi odi ye tun sesi ye anka odi ko 4,004 pe wo nsem a wo kan ye nya nim se enye nokre untumi nye utumi ye anka lasi aka no ko wetimi atua. People are suffering, farmers are suffering. Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ade friends saying cocoa rehabilitation by me baby a make us free near wo ho na meka Western North Ghana cocoa make make us 60-70% if we Western North Galamsey and then Galamsey Atiatis be across Western North. Only 2 constituencies out of the 9 no near Galamsey. Mimi constituency be West and a Bia East. A Hong Kong Galamsey. Bodi Omutubi under NDC. Yeah, something in go for. A kind of health minister. The same thing. Dabos Omutubi. You also Bente ne Omutubi. Akontomra Omutubi o awowi ehompo de say on a regional minister free omso ne MP friend Oscar Labi omso ye be same thing ewo ho na baby ani so the same thing ekoso but 2 out of 9 constituencies west only two pe na Galamsey nkoso so NPP time usuro say wo beko say wo kwakwa kotu Galamsey ene bosha omushe nyina ayi say wo kope oba fofora oba ma me do na me kura no me worship ese me mpaase oba jimifo na oba obeka ko peja o mpanase ahwe ship na o ka say ese o mpanase na o ho a enti yen say this ansem mmeka nyina nyan ade ba kokura nyan sabi nyan sansem ba kokura ni o ka so mo mai one policy a NDC e ba yo anda mahama motimi implement ya motimi mai ba kompo na nka wo bi wa ko sabi wa ko nya wa petesi adi wo yere a mana wo mana nyem yesi fanko hospital free farmers no de bia me ka me fra koko farmer bia 3625 project o mo de buy ewo Western North koko na wu koko rehabilitation no enya kufu ado a ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia na minim se board ye nursery na minim da ukoye ado ho nipa mu ye adwuma ewo dade so bebi omo nurse koko ni bebi omo ye fence omo nurse board ye na it's more than 5,000 people na koko ni twa mu kra ano sika ewura mu akufu ado de wura mu omo twa contract otua omo emrante na odi ama omo adwuma omo do ase omo ye disease spotters a omo so di enuro keka koko sini na omo atwa na aka so no dize ni na pronti no omo de aduro fa sini na aka no so my profile route ni nyina omo wie omo tu amena omo wie omo tu bo omo team board ye no ene friends koko no board ya ba kosia koko ba kosia answer about weeding gangs for no so omo do ase na wonim na odo na okotwa ba ko pa beti afiri wakatuam se be ya obetimi aban ka na obo no ebetimi ama mfaso abaso wo fama na ye twa koko na aban na edi board ye ne koko abedua ma no officer bia ni hu kwan se even betting ba kumpo offer ana weka bia ni hu kwan se offer otimi ko hokoto board ye duro mako 10 1 million ena abanfa so makoko na nyini manne e hokoko no koduru kra e yakono keke this and we ni niema yepe e wo man we mu we ni niema o ka kire obi a otifi a eto na sun free fertilizer oba e gwa ba kokra mnya mai ya ete border na no yenim niema eko yenim chairman for mo ha straight from Ministry of Agri fertilizer ewura straight to friends la Côte d'Ivoire
ma so rapi up mami wa ena fesi
ewura mu bebre enti ye wo message yenim how our system no esi eko ade a wo ya MPP na ate wa wo dwen say ene me tukwan akọ me tukwan Côte d'Ivoire pa yetimi determine be more than 7 hours omo police omo soldier for no omo ye mafias but enne me ram na me onya yi Ghana card pe ona okro no 1 CD wuntua bi 1 CD every country be Africa be a okro so na okona okuta only Ghana card asa ba first no enti we know say nipa dɔɔso ɔmo so enti yɛn kɔsoa na share messages no nsempa no niema friend say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne Nana Akufo-Addo ben say be ya enu nesi a yenwura nko 2028 no ne yadi kan win 2027 crowd da anze yadi kan wura because almost so hit da omunya nipa omode ne ba ntokwa hye form den amoko but enyam pie ho some de mami si form na me nyina so na obi fo say nua mpanimfo ne ma me ne papa mo so nti o so and continue na
mami means you all right
Ama
you are ready yes sir
but am I ready na ama anopai ma menchia wo na menchia abusuafo nyina na sede wa wonimu no mentimi ma wabra menya me roll course no ti ma menya me roll call no ntia na yedi nka me nua ba Ellen da ku wa ha ti sister Ellen mechia wo era ni sra pa wadwumaden a wo ba ma ye nua ba ma title global ne ono keke ka ho na ma chia me nua ba kama radin ka ne ho ama wons ma menchia wo bi ene wabadwuma yes me de me kan ntra wo se wakoma mra fo na so wakoma me de me ya ba sheboni ai me center kra wojim more fire e kan wose fire bi ma sa be fire because nsemfu ehi e na mpanifo se kan ewu yes so obo na tete wo ai et ma menchi akuya na menchi adantes oga wuli ene sinyama akusne mo wa keka nyina afenchi akase ne de wa wonim Dr. Bawumia awone na yere Samira erade isra wo mu inshallah 2028 enkunimde be ye de atamfo nyanyame nti no nipa be yesa de kwan konkosi aga na de onyame esra no so no okraman onfane mpaboa ama ene no mekọ no slow he nyame no kwani ho se o sorry Ghana ha se ya no pa na wa mompa ye se erade so wano na o ma wa ho hyeso a obebie wa no aka semu a eni kwa se ye kan because as nsem ni bo ma is so annoying to the extent say control hu ba bia enye yi me sha se free eye minerals commissioner ene ye bue ano e wa Ashanti region. Now I want to ask the regional minister sa kwasiampani ni no men to sebi sa kwasiampani ni regional minister no na funa duduru se de sebi ye hu ne to no amwako hene na wote kuma se wono mu no a onya nyansani esansa ne si enim nyansanti no onya nyansani bia mane ntunefo na on dwene no se okọ commission no okọ commission ne se anani ni fie ahoma na okotwa mu no de okọ commission ye no ewo eye Ashanti region eye minerals commission office no a amwako hene ni ahem na woni me I am beginning to think say ahemfofo bia omo ye ahemfo asantememu ene no ama na miene no krani omo nye the original asantefo na otumfo na bom bidam bom wase won sa senye hwehwemu se na omo wonyansa pa gene kon kan satete ahemfo no a na ye nim se omo ya asantefo gina asantefo hu no a enka bre ba se amwako hene ekobọ ma ne so omo komisi ayi no na wo se komutimi atwe amwako hene aso atwa ne de akyi ne de dua because akwa no ye